Hello listener, in our previous video we have discussed graphical method of finding solution of a pair of linear equation. In your linear equation gives you straight line and pair of linear equations give you two straight line, and there are three possibilities that you will get lines. Either your lines intersect with each other, either your lines are parallel, or either your lines are coincide with each other. There are three possibilities. Let's do some important problems that will come in your class 10th board exams. Okay, we will discuss some important problems which will help students to prepare well for the 10th class main exams. So, draw the graphs of the following equation: 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0 and 2x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. What is your given? Given equation are 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0 and 2x plus y equal to 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. You can write in this manner: 2x plus y is equal to 8, 3x minus y equal to 2. Find out the possible solutions for that your equation 1. Let's take it L1. This one is your L2. What is your L1? 3x minus y equal to 2. Let's take when x is equal to 0. Substitute in your equation: 3 into 0 minus y equal to 2. Okay, y equal to 2 minus y equal to 2 means y equal to minus 2. Okay, next 3x minus y is equal to 2 when x is equal to 1. Okay, 3 into 1 minus y equal to 2. Okay, minus y equal to 2 minus 3 minus y equal to minus 1 means y is equal to 1. Just draw a table for the L1 coordinates so that you can easily draw a graph. This is x, y coordinate, x comma y. If when x is equal to 0, y is minus 2. Okay, so what coordinate you are getting? 0 comma minus 2. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, 1 comma 1. This is your L1. What is your L2? L2 is 2x plus y is equal to 8. Let's take when x is equal to 0. Okay, it is a real numbers. You can randomly take any numbers to get solution. Try to avoid decimal values. So, don't take those numbers which give you solution in a decimal value. Substitute 2 into 0 plus y is equal to 8, y is equal to 8. Okay, next when x is equal to 4. Okay, when x is equal to 4. When x is equal to 4, just substitute 2 into 4 plus y is equal to 8. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus y is equal to 8. Y equal to 8 minus 8. Y equal to 0. Okay, you can take 2 into 1 also. Okay, 8 minus 1 you will get y value as 7 also. Okay, that kind of solution also you will get it. If you are taking x equal to 1, suppose in place of 4 you can take x is equal to 1 also. Okay, if you are taking x is equal to when x is equal to 1, 2 plus y equal to 8, y equal to 8 minus 2, y equal to 6. You can take 1 also instead of writing 4. Okay, just tabulate the coordinates. Okay, x, y, x comma y. Okay, if x is 0, what is your y? Y is 8, 0 comma 8. If x is 1, what is the value of y is 6? You can take 1 comma 6. You can take more than 1 values, 2, 3 and 4. Here we have taken 3, but in your previous we have taken 2. Oh, better take 2 only. These are the solutions we get for L1 and L2. Just draw a graph. Okay, just draw a graph. This is x, this is y. Okay, this is y, this is y. Use the graph paper for perfect graph. Perfect straight line you will get it. Okay, I am using rough, so draw with equidistance. So highest value क्या है? What is will be the highest value for x coordinate is up to 1 only. You can take up to 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a minus 1. Okay, minus 1. Okay, minus 1. It's a minus 2 y. Okay, let's, if x is 0, y is minus 2. Point it. Okay, if x is 1, y is 1. 1. Just join the two dots. L1 you are getting. Okay, L1. Next L2 is, if x is 0, y is 8. Okay, just draw a line. If x is 1, y is 6. Okay, just draw a line. Okay, just draw a line. So this graph is a intersecting graph. Intersecting graph. Intersecting graph. Okay, what is the point of intersection? The point of intersection is 3, 4 is the point of intersection. Okay.